Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 9th, and this is my recap of the top view videos from Friday. And the US dollar came in number one on Friday, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So Friday was non-farm payroll, definitely caused a very nice push down. I still think this is likely an expanding ABC crescent, so most likely this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wave A. I think this is very clearly three waves up right here. That's an expanding wave B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely to make its way down probably to the 161, 178 area to finish off this expanding wave C, hopefully setting itself up for a long on Wednesday, June 12th interest rate news for the US dollar. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.